Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review. And today I have a really clever car door step from a company called Tooenjoy that isn't a product you would normally think to buy for yourself, but I promise you, once I explain what this product does, you're going to want one and you're going to want to keep it in your glove box because it provides so much convenience. So what this product does essentially is create a very stable, heavy-duty step in your door jamb that you can step up on to put things on the roof of your car. And all of us are in that situation sooner or later where maybe we're out shopping for a Christmas tree and we've thrown it on top of the car, then we have to deal with tying it down and making sure it's secure. Or maybe you're one of those families that travel a lot and you've got one of those rooftop carriers where you're constantly taking things out of it and putting things back into it every time you stop on vacation. This product gives you a really secure way to step up high enough to see the roof of your car and tie down whatever you need or take things out of your rooftop carrier. Now, I spent a lot of time looking at these and I didn't realize they were available until I bought a brand new kayak. And the kayak I have is about 75 pounds and I can easily lift it up on the roof, but then I'm always worried, did I tie it down securely? Are the straps straight across? And I do what everybody does. I open one of the car doors, I step up on the seat, and I kind of carefully balance myself against the door jamb so I don't fall out of the car while I'm trying to tie those straps down. And you know, if you've ever fallen from that position, it's a long way down and it's really easy to lose your balance and come off that car. So I was looking for something that was semi-permanent that allowed me to step up there and feel secure and spend my time and my focus tying things down on the roof. And that's exactly what this product does. And again, it's a brilliant design because what it's taking advantage of is that little bracket inside your door jamb that holds your door closed. And that's one of the most secure and heavy-duty positions in your car. That thing is bolted in there because for safety reasons, you don't want your door springing open. Heaven forbid you have an accident. So it's an incredibly heavy-duty connection point. This little bracket right here, this little hook, fits over that bracket, and then you drop the bottom foot down and you adjust the rubber to fit your door jamb. Now, what makes this product so special, and there's a lot of cool things built into it, is that it's totally adjustable. There are 5 different positions, depending on what kind of car you have, where you can adjust this at different angles to fit perfectly in that door jamb. So it gives you wonderful support. Now, what Tooenjoy has done with this product that a lot of other products hadn't focused on was they really thought about the things that make it safer. Because the one thing I was concerned about is if I'm standing on something like this, I don't want it to give way because I'm trusting it. I'm not really paying attention to it. And if it falls for some reason or I slip off it, I'm coming down off that high position on the car. So what Tooenjoy has done is actually built this to hold 400 pounds. So it's an incredibly heavy duty product. Now I'm nowhere near that heavy, but it's good to know that if I'm standing on it, I have plenty of extra weight that it's not going to cause the thing to collapse. So 400 pounds of weight. They've also made the top surface ribs. So there's actually ribs on here that give it a bit of a friction surface because if you get up there and your feet are wet, like in the wintertime when you're throwing a Christmas tree up top, you may have wet feet. You don't want this to be smooth where you're going to slide off the top of it. Now, some other products on the market have a really smooth surface and I was worried that if I step on it with wet feet, I'm going right off the end of it. So I like the fact that it's ribbed. I also like the fact that the entire construction is metal. There's not a single piece of plastic on here. The only thing that's not metal are these rubber supports on the bottom, and these are heavy duty and they pivot. So there's a perfect position to get it to any car door jamb. I've used it on my car, my son's car, my daughter's car, so it's incredibly universal. Another key feature is the adjustment because a lot of these, you're kind of stuck with whatever position it latches on, and you may have it like this and you can step on it, but again, you're going to slide off it, or maybe it's like this and then it's really awkward to stand on it. With this one, you can pull down on this and you can adjust it to any position you need. Again, there are 5 different stops. And the best part about it is that unlike a lot of products like this on the market that are built like this, that look like this, that you've got to deal with, where am I going to put this in my car? With this one, you pull down and it closes completely flat. So you can fit this in your glove box or your little armrest box, or even in the back of your truck if you've got one of those utility containers back there. I like this product an awful lot and I love the fact that it's heavy duty. Now, one thing that really sold me on this was, again, I bought a brand new kayak, I had to get it up on the roof, had to tie it down, and I was always worried that when I threw the tie across, it wasn't flat or it wasn't in the right spot in the kayak. And again, I'm standing up on that little seat and looking over the top and trying to figure out what's going on. With this one, it's so secure that I can step up on it and not feel like I'm going to fall. But the last thing I'll say about it, a lot of these that are available that are less expensive are really, really short, which means I can get 1 foot up there. Now that works okay if it's a short amount of time that I'm tying things down, but this one's big enough to get 2 feet on it. Now your feet have to be kind of close together, but I can stand on it with 2 feet and give me complete support. And that way, if I feel like I'm losing my balance or something wonky happens, I can step down and actually secure my position. So I love the fact that it's longer than most of the ones on the market as well. So all those things considered, I really love this product and it's not that expensive. And it's one of those products that, again, you may not use a lot, But if you have a snowy winter day and you've got to scrape the roof to get that snow off your roof, you're going to stand on your seat and think about it. You're going to be standing in snow, stepping up on a seat in your car, and you could damage that surface. So having something like this in your car that you can use for those rare occasions where you need to get up on your roof is a wonderful thing. So I think it's well worth the price. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you found this review helpful. I like this company an awful lot. I like this product an awful lot. I've been using it for about 6 months, and I actually bought a second one, so I've got one available for my wife's car as well in case we need to get on the roof of that car. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.